Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't made a video in a long time. And yes, this is gonna be Piggy said it's ending soon. So basically some of this when I stop making Piggy videos, that's my last video. When I put the end. Alright, let's start. Alright, so we're gonna escape, right? Oh yeah, I forgot we're stuck in first person. Someone should have the right key. Why are all of you down there? Okay, that's Doggy. Where's Doggy with the Christmas tree on his body? Oh, a lot of them had left. Don't mind my other account there. I'm just using him to get people to join. Oh, there he goes. Alright, Piggy's right after me. I don't know what they talking about in the chat. And that's Carmen too. Alright, get whatever you need to get. No, don't go for him. Go down. Go down. Who do? That's grass. If I were you, I'd go to that portal. What? I'm trying to get Piggy, trying to get her to get in the portal, but she. Oh my god, that was close. Nah, that was close, bro. Alright, Christmas tree dog.
Look at that off-brand GameCube controller with no brand on it. Oh wow, hey.
Bro, Piggy always going for me, bro. Where in the world is George? This map is dark. I can barely see anything. Am I the only one alive? Is everybody dead? Oh my god, dog is dead. Oh, of course. Piggy. Wait, there's Officer Doggy in. There's Officer Doggy.
Why do you think Cody isn't in the game?
I don't think I wore Officer Dog.
I mean, look, you saw Grand Theft Auto 5, right? All those graphics and all that. It's a
Next map is gonna be a Christmas map, guys. What? Officer Doggy died. Doggy's wearing a green outfit. Also, that's a skin he's wearing. It's not real. It came with the doggy Christmas. If you guys haven't noticed, the season 6 of Christmas is out. So go get it out before it runs out. 30 days. You have 33 days left. Bro, when is the game gonna end? Alright, I'm stopping the game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Now I had to be it. This is one of the worst parts. Oh, never mind. 4 people in the game. Hope they don't make this hard for me. Way to the top. Bruh, I forgot I'm stuck in first person. They always do this. This stupid first person game. Way to the top. No. Way to the top. Alright, everybody, welcome to Bella's.
Welcome to Bela's.
Welcome to Bella's distortion map. This might not look like a distortion. This is a distortion. Come on, where you going at? Where you going at? Wait, he already won? Oh, God. He good. He does his way to the top. Alright, bro. He's stuck in there. Yeah. He got stuck. He got caught typing. Boy, we got more people. And of course, we got that stupid hand. Obviously, I really don't know if I'm gonna even be playing Piggy anymore. Benito says that this is Piggy's last update, only on the main game. So I gotta say a few words. Thank you for watching all my videos back then in 2020. 2020 and 2021 used to be always fun, but now I'm in 2022 is about to be over. Ever since I first started Piggy, I always loved it. I grew up playing it. It was always something I always liked to play, and it was my favorite game. I played all the way to it. My friends helped me beat it. Every time a new chapter comes out, I always end up losing because I don't know what kind. Because they always got a new item. It's not possible to skip a chapter every for when it comes out. You don't know if they have a new item or not. All chapters should have a new item. Where you going, that headphone boy? Get over here. You think you good at running, huh? Oh, we got two of them. Where you going, boy? Stay out of my distortion. I don't know about that tiger, but I'm gonna juke that nigga everybody. That guy got raped by a bot. What? Yeah, let's get that black hair boy. Come here, Black. Don't you dare go in that portal. And just wait to the top. I know what to do. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not trying to camp. I'm putting a black trap right here. There you go. Goodbye. Any more? A lot of people be joining my map. And Tessie, people used to be playing in the map a lot, but now people just barely even play the game. Some of my friends said that he boring now. I mean, Tessie's a picky YouTuber, and I literally saw one of that man's videos and stuff, and that man literally had a beard. That man never had that much beard in 2020. He getting old now. Man has a beard on his face. I feel like if I become an adult, Tessie's gonna be an old grandpa or something. This guy's good at juking, alright? Get the black hole traps ready. Assemble. Stimulation. Is that it? We got more. Is that Troll King? He got his way to the top. He's called Jim MK1660. Man has a speed boost. Yes, go in there. Where's he going at? Cause he just keeps juking girls. I'm sidestepping, huh? What is this red aura? Don't you dare go in there. Don't you dare go in that portal. Why'd you let her get the hit? There's more? Bro, there's more people joining, bro. Oh my god. What? It's so bright. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. No, Piggy! Piggy! No, Piggy. Take these points. A false alarm, Mimi. Yes, Mimi. Where's Zuzi at? Actually, you want to know which one's my favorite outfit skin? Wait, what did you do with Zuzi? Guys, he literally took Zuzi and she literally went in the sky and just disappeared. I know y'all saw that, right? He literally grabbed her in the sky and then she just disappeared. What did you do? Did we do it with her hand? Yeah, we gotta get this girl up. Pretty sure that was a one person. What? Bro, she went right through me. Oh, there she goes. There goes Zuzi. Wait, what? How does Zuzi run that fast? I'm starting to think Zuzi's hacking. Alright, Piggy, I don't really care what you do. You can go get that other person because Piggy don't really care stopping. That bots, you know, bots don't stop moving. Yes. Get your butt back in that room. You ain't leaving, girl. Who told you such a thing? And I'm not camping. I'm trying to Yes, magnificent. Yes. Should I save her for last? You know what? I'm gonna just save her for last because that outfit on Earth is my favorite character. And stuff. So I'm gonna just save Zuzi for last. It's not like I'm not targeting nobody. I'm just saving her for last because she got that favorite outfit I love. I don't even know which one is Zuzi. Isn't it the one with the lighter pink or Z? No, Zuzi has darker and Z has lighter. Where it just randomly plays Bill in Bill mode. What? There's more of you. Come here, man. Come here. Bro, there's like 3 of you. Hand, get him. Now you're just teasing him. You know, I should put a lot of traps. No. What are you doing? I thought so. Yes. No, don't try to run now. No. Don't you dare go in that portal. Oh. I'm sorry I had to come to this, but you're the last one. No, don't use speed boost now. Don't use speed boost. Oh, you're trying to outrun me, huh? Don't even think about going the other way. No, don't open that. Bro, she's getting faster, bro. I feel like it was a mistake giving them speed boosts, because now I feel like their feet just getting faster. But their speed. Bro, all of these guys are getting resurrected. There's more of them. Every time you see someone die, you just see them getting resurrected. Oh my god. We got a person that's lagging. Also, I hope you got Georgie. Alright. Zuzi, stop running away. No. Corner her. Stop using speed boost. If you use speed boost, you're a coward. Yes. No, don't come for me. Why does that thing even try to come for the bot anyways? That thing just helps the player and bot. Yes! Good job. Pinky got her. Hey. Sorry if I got you last person. Your skin was is my favorite. Beautiful. Alright guys, this is infection now. I never got to be innocent or survivor. And I haven't really made the winners award skins yet. And I think what Bilmo needs. Bilmo's gonna get all the items. You see how they made chapter 1 and stuff? Yeah, well, they're gonna start adding all of the stuff that you can make for chapter 1, the aliens and stuff. And then that's gonna be it. I don't know if Piggy's gonna delete it or not, or is the games that they used to be fun back then are being erased. Why are you over there? Bro, so many people are entering the portal. Wait. You can still see me? Where did Patty come from? Where did Patty come from? Patty, where did you come from, bro? Patty, stop camping the teleporters. Man, I regret putting these teleporters here because now they're just yes, Bacon, come here. Oh, I like that skin. So I don't even know if I should make a map for that one again. No, that's gonna be the exhibition. No, that Christmas skin right here, this thing right here, this little thing with the green beard, this skin, I completed this, I got everything this season. And this is gonna be the exhibition. He's gonna get an exhibition match. I mean, not match, map. Since he's the last skin, he's gonna get an exhibition map. Alright, you're not the last one. I see you got that. I see you got Christmas skin. Where's the last person at? Don't sit there. Look at this man. Whee! If you want subscribe to oh, it's this Zuzi girl again? Bro, this is what I should, maybe I regret saving her for last. She is a good player, but I can never expect her to do all of us. Yeah, get in the yellow room. Yes. Oh, you little troll. What? Bro, she's just waiting right in the door. No, bro. How's it? She's literally in here. there. She's literally trolling us. We get trolled by one of the most silliest players ever. That's Piggy. I'm sorry guys, but I have to look this crap up because of that silly, stupid girl. Is she useless? Yes, let's do it through walls. I'm talking about his Barbie food. I'm jumping in the wall. She's saying move. Keep saying move. Stop saying that, bro. Rattle. No screw. She wins. I don't care. It's not worth it anyway. She just wasted my video time. Whoever that was hiding, they about to make me go nuts. Nah, cause where's she at? There she is. I see her dress. Yeah, you. It's your girl. Yeah, Granny. 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 Songoku. 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 Bro, this stupid person. Who's it? Who has the knife? Yup. Alright, so it's basically, well, alright, I think I know what to do. Hold on, then. Alright. So they got the boss there, alright.
Showing you in this video is how to glitch out of the map as a human, because let's be honest, nobody wants more people glitching out of the map as a human. But if you're playing as Piggy, this shows you. Did he just shoot me through the did he just anyway, he just shoot me through the out of the map as
That's the case. Everybody could mess over on because I'm old. Let me get another phone number and apply